Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPad Pro 12.9-inch keyboard cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. There is much discussion about whether the iPad Pro can truly replace a computer, but the truth is that it depends on what you need your computer for. For many of us, the iPad is more than capable of handling all of our needs, especially when equipped with a screen as large as the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. A good keyboard, like Apple's own Magic Keyboard, is one of the best iPad Pro accessories you'll need if you're going to be doing computer stuff. Here are some of your best options if you're looking for a keyboard case. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPad Pro 12.9-inch keyboard cases 2022, so let's get started. 3. Logitech Slim Folio Pro. For more than 20 years, Logitech has been manufacturing keyboards. Large, evenly spaced keys and a scissor mechanism make typing quick and responsive. Additionally, unlike some of the other cases mentioned here, the Slim Folio Pro is a full case. You receive protection from the front, back, and sides. It consists of a complete case and a Bluetooth keyboard. There aren't many viewing options available, but if you want to read on your iPad Pro, you can fold the keyboard around to the back. If you prefer to use your Apple Pencil over the keyboard, you can also collapse the Slim Folio Pro. The brightness of the backlit keys can be adjusted. Although a trackpad is absent, there is a row of shortcut keys that include useful controls like home, key brightness, search, virtual keyboard, media controls, volume controls, screen on/off, Bluetooth connect, and battery check. Additionally, you get a convenient place to store and charge your Apple Pencil. 2. Chesina Keyboard Case. Here, you can get a reliable keyboard folio case for a reasonable price. This full folio case offers complete coverage and defense. Your Apple Pencil can be safely stored in a separate slot after it has finished charging and can be charged through the opening. You can detach the backlit Bluetooth keyboard from the folio case using a magnet if you don't need it. 120, 125, and 130 degrees are the 3 viewing angles for typing. The rechargeable battery can operate for up to 80 hours on a single charge and charges in 2 to 3 hours. 1. Apple Magic Keyboard. We adore Apple because they add a little bit of magic to everything they do. Despite its high price, the Magic Keyboard is still the best keyboard case for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro for a number of reasons. Full-size backlit keys and the ideal amount of travel make the scissor mechanism keyboard an excellent choice for typing. 1mm. It's kind of magical how the floating cantilever design works. For a stunning appearance, magnetically attach your iPad to it. Additionally, you can adjust it to the ideal angle. Additionally, the keyboard case can be folded up for on-the-go front and back iPad protection. The USB-C port on the keyboard can be used to charge your iPad Pro, freeing up the iPad's port for accessories. So guys, this was the video about the best iPad Pro 12.9-inch keyboard cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.